Discussing the objectives of this experiment first. The objectives were that we had to design a temperature monitored system where we would control the temperature in this environment. We had to fully insulate it, and then using appropriate mechanism, employing techniques of electrical engineering, we had to develop a model which would allow efficient cooling as well as efficient heating of the system. Now, Mr. Hamad Javed will explain to you the working of this model.
For the working, we use a microcontroller W1209 for its both heating and cooling mechanism. This module comes with two options, the one with heating and one with cooling. So the user may have two requirements. For example, for heating purposes, you may want to have set this to edge. Okay, when you have set this to edge, you reverse it. Now you this is the temperature shown here is the actual temperature inside the box, not, which is coming through the input by the sensor. You have to set the temperature. This is the setting temperature. For example, the present temperature is 20.06. Now you are setting it to, for example, 22.5, a higher than present. Now this would on the relay. The red light turns itself on and the incubator bulb starts heating the vicinity of box. Second purpose. For second purpose, you may want to start a cooling system. For cooling system, you may want to switch from S to C. Okay, now return it to its setting position. Now this is the relay has turned off because it is in cooling mode. For setting it, you may want to lower the temperature from the present one. For example, take it to 16. To take it to 16, now the fans would turn themselves on. The exhaust system. Yes, for heating, we used halogen bulbs, and for ventilation, for cooling, we used two fans for ventilation in the same direction. Mass in equals mass out. Now this is the humidity sensor. It is its probe is inside the box, and this is volt and ampere meter, which is connected to the modules, and which gives the when the bulb is on. Let me set it first. Change this to heating mode. Close this.
High temperature for that.
Now set the high temperature. This takes a bit more power than the fans. The fans are connected in series, and both components, the bulb and fan, are actually in parallel.